Hello everyone, in today's recipe, I'll be showing you these chicken wings. Chicken wings is very popular here in the house, and this one everyone is really easy and I bet your family will enjoy it. So keep on watching. All the ingredients on this recipe is going to be included down the description below. Thank you everyone. Enjoy! Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and also hit that bell. That way you will get notification whenever I upload new videos. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining here with me today. So today everyone, I'm gonna be making chicken wings for our dinner, but I'm gonna use make two different sauce. One that's not spicy for Charlotte, and one my regular hot sauce. So here are the following ingredients that we're gonna need for this recipe. So in here I have about 3 pounds of wings. This is already clean. All I did is washed, and I bought the chicken wings that was already cut. Then I'm gonna season my wings with black pepper, garlic salt, and Montreal steak. So this is what I'm gonna use to season the chicken wings. And so half of these chicken wings, everyone, half of these chicken wings I'm gonna bake them, and half of this is I'm gonna fry. So in here I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I have 2 eggs, and then I'm gonna season my flour with black pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, and poultry seasoning. So that's my black pepper right there. So that's my black pepper, my salt, poultry seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Alright everyone, for the hot sauce, as I told you before, I mixed up the hot sauce. So I'll be using Tabasco, lemon, butter, and I'll be adding barbecue sauce and milk. I know in the video the barbecue sauce and milk is not showing, but my husband fixed the sauce where it will taste a lot better, so we added barbecue sauce and milk. And also I'm gonna season it with some salt and black pepper. Then for my second sauce, I have pineapple that I puree. I'll be using honey and butter. We're also gonna need oil to fry our chicken wings for this. And my oven is preheated at 400 degrees because I'm gonna bake my wings for about 45 minutes. So let's get started everyone. So this one right here everyone, I'm gonna season this with garlic salt. That way the chicken itself have a flavor. So I'm just eyeballing that. I'm not really overloading it with seasoning. So this one, I just eyeball this one as well. Maybe half a teaspoon. And then the black pepper, I'm not gonna put a lot of black pepper. Okay. Now what we need to do is just mix all of this together. I'm using my hand, and yes, I'm just bare hand. So I'm gonna wash my hand after this. So if you need more seasoning everyone, go right ahead and add more seasoning that you want. But I think that's enough because my sauce will be seasoned as well. So I'm gonna use this strainer right here everyone. I use this for my cookies or my bread. So I'm gonna line up some wings in here. Alright. So if you're not satisfied with your seasoning, everyone, add more seasoning. But I'm not gonna overload my seasoning, because the sauce itself will just gonna add more flavor to this. So I'm gonna cook few and fry few. So make sure that your oven is preheated, everyone. That way it's easier, it's ready. Alright, I'm just gonna bake few and I will fry few as well. Alright, I'm gonna bake this for 45 minutes. Let me see that. So I'll be back. Alright, now everyone, for my flour, I'm gonna add all of this seasoning here. Now I'll just mix this. You can bake all of your wings if you want to, but I'm gonna try frying this. I have not fried wings in a while. Alright, I finished that. Now let's do our eggs. I'm gonna season the eggs with some garlic salt. Alright everyone, we'll start frying. Alright everyone, I'm gonna use this pan right here. Alright. And I'm using vegetable oil. So in here everyone, I'm just gonna add my oil. We need a lot of oil, everyone. I don't have my other small pot, so I'm just using this. That should be good. And when I finish frying, everyone, I don't throw away my oil. I strain my oil. That way I can use it again. I think you can use it twice. I grew up doing the oil. We reuse the oil until we can't use it. About 2 times really. So I'm gonna let this get hot and we're gonna start coating our chicken. Alright everyone, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start coating our chicken. So I'm gonna put some in here. And shake the excess flour. Put it on back to the egg. And put it back. Okay. Now just put it aside. And I'm gonna fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken wings is done. So just shake it. Put it right here, the egg mixture. And put it back to the I have a plate in here, everyone. So I'm gonna repeat this until I'm done, everyone. Alright, everyone, there's my chicken wings. I finished coating it. So now let's start frying this chicken. Alright, my oil is ready. So I'm gonna start adding my chicken, everyone. Alright. I'm not gonna crowd my pan. I'm gonna fry this for 10 minutes, everyone. If you have a, what is this? A better frying pan, that would be awesome. I don't have a deeper pan. Alright. I'm gonna let this brown, then I will flip it. So I'm gonna fry this for 10 minutes on this side and flip it again and then fry on the other side. So I will be back. So in here, everyone, I put my 1 stick of butter, my honey, and my pineapple. And so I'm gonna let this cook. And then in here, I put my 1/4 cup of Tabasco, 1 stick of butter, black pepper, and a little bit of pineapple, probably a 1/4 cup of pineapple. And then I'm gonna season both of these with salt and pepper, that way it tastes good. Well, everyone, I'm gonna flip this. Or the other side will get brown as well. Alright, now let that finish and I'll be back. Alright, everyone, this is the pineapple sauce. And this one right here is the other sauce. And I had my husband fix it because it was really hot. So he put barbecue sauce on it to cool down. So we'll see how it's going to taste. Alright, everyone, I'm going to take this out. And then put another batch. This is cooked. So I'm just gonna transfer this on my strainer. My wings that's baking is almost done as well. When you turn on the heat, that's gonna warm up. Which, no, it's fine because I'm gonna, well, yeah, turn it off. That way I can
turn it down or off.
Turn it on. That way, when I coat it in the chicken, it's warm.
Both of them?
No, that one will leave that one.
Wrong ones.
Alright, everyone, this is the last batch of the chicken that I'm frying.
Alright, that's better.
My husband, guys, saved me from fixing my sauce because it was not good. It was spicy. It was good, but spicy, so we can't really eat a lot of spice here. So he rescued me from making my sauce. We have I have 3 different tasters, and I didn't want Charlie to taste it because it was fire.
Dragon, the best shit hot.
Yeah, the dragon can even eat it. So I'm gonna fry this until it's cooked. Oh. A what? Oh.
And yeah, like the rich people are in on it.
Alright everyone, the wings is done baking. So now I'm gonna coat this with some hot sauce. Alright everyone, on this one I'm gonna pour my hot sauce. This is a mixture of barbecue and some hot sauce. And what I'm gonna do everyone is I'm just gonna shake this. Make sure the wings are well coated. These are really tiny wings everyone. The store I bought this from are, I don't know, I think they use the organic chicken. So I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna wait for the, what is this, the one I'm frying to be finished, the way I can serve them together. So that's my hot wings. My husband doctored the hot wings with some barbecue and some milk. Alright everyone, this is the last batch for my frying and they're done. So I'm ready to take this out. And my camera was cut off everyone because it died. So the frying is done. So what you need to do is just pour all the pineapple sauce that you created and mix it well until all the wings is well coated. Alright everyone, using my big pan, I decorated this with lettuce, slice of mangoes. I'm gonna add my celery later to go with the wings, but I will add them after I arrange all the wings. So right now everyone, I'm just putting the pineapple honey chicken wings. So the pineapple sauce, everyone, I was very unsure about it because it didn't taste right. The seasoning was perfect, but it just didn't taste right. However, my husband said, it's gonna be a perfect pair for the wings that I made for Charlotte because the wings is not spicy. So as soon as I mixed the pineapple sauce to the wings, it was so delicious everyone. It gives the wings a really great flavor. So after all, I did good on my pineapple sauce. Now on the other side, the hot sauce, I didn't do well on that. Yes, I make mistake. Yes, yes, yes. But I didn't good on the hot sauce because it was so hot, everyone, that I couldn't even taste the sauce. So my husband saved me from uh, making my sauce really hot. So what he did, everyone, he add the barbecue sauce and the milk. That's why I added on the ingredients for the hot sauce, I added barbecue sauce and milk because he lowered the heat by adding the barbecue sauce and the milk. So just follow the ingredients that I have for the hot sauce and your hot sauce will be so perfect everyone. So we really enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So now guys, let's I'm about to arrange my hot wings on the other side of my pan. So I just want this pan to look very appetizing for my crew. That way they will enjoy eating it. And this one, everyone, you can pair this with anything you want, like baked potato or mashed potato. But my husband and my kids, they choose to just pair this with the celery and mango. You can have rice with this, but we didn't cook any rice, so we just ate it the way it is. Or you can pair this with some French fries as well. So these wings right here, everyone, are so delicious. You know, uh, this is perfect to serve for birthday or football games or any gathering you have in the house. It's easy to make as well. And if you don't like to fry your wings, you can just bake all your wings and bake it for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, just coat it with the hot sauce that you made and then serve them, and your guests can have fun. Like you can serve this with some celery, just celery, or you can just serve this with some French fries and have your dipping sauce. That's that would be perfect to entertain your guest. And when we had these wings, everyone, we didn't have much of a leftover at all. This is really good, everyone. All right, everyone, I'm just adding the celery to give this a finished touch. That way it's colorful. Because my crow are getting hungry, everyone. All right, everyone, this is how my wings look. That is the pineapple, and that's the spicy, and I put celery and mango in there. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you again on our next video. Bye bye, everyone.